Note that on loading the data into Power BI, we'll have the orders table. We'll also have the people's table. We also have the returns table. Each of the columns will be represented in these tables, and we can use them for different things. For numeric and currency columns, we'll have these, and for date will be indicated by these. All the others are text data, but we can also use them in our analysis. Let's see how this data is represented under models. Note that we have people table. People are represented by customer name, and then we have the orders. This should be connected to the order ID. We can connect them. You can see now they are connected, but we can also delete these. Yes, and also let's delete these. Working on it, let's see how it appears. We should delete the connection between the two tables. Yes, and give it a moment. There we go. We want to connect the person, the customer name, and the person. We just drag and drop that, and we have a connection. We can look at the properties of this connection. The table is these, and many to one. We can also convert these many to many, and note that the direction of this cursor will change. Let's apply the changes. It means that the relationship is both ways. You can see that the relationship changed. Let's now convert the order, connect the order ID to the order ID on the other table. And there you go. We have a one-to-one relationship. Let's convert this to many-to-many. So we can have many-to-one and apply that, which is the one applicable. The direction should be in both directions, and give it a moment. There we go. Also, this one should have many-to-one and both directions. That's our model for now. We have relationship between all three tables. And you can see our data now in the table view. We have our data from all the tables. Okay, from the order table, we have our data from the people table, and then one from returns table. And that's it.